One of the big changes you'll see with the FAFSA application is that when you start applying, you fill out the information, you submit it, and you're expecting to see your expected family contribution. In the 2024-2025 FAFSA, the expected family contribution no longer exists. It's now known as the Student Aid Index. The Student Aid Index serves essentially the same purpose, but it's a little bit more clear of what that number is. It's an index number that will allow your financial aid office to compare your situation with the other students and families to determine which financial aid you're eligible for and determine your financial need. That's a major change and a major change in terminology because we have talked about the expected family contribution, the EFC, for several years. It's been a hot topic and now it's all been changed to the Student Aid Index. The SAI, like the EFC, is calculated based on the information you provide on the FAFSA. However, the calculation is not the same, it is different, and they're hoping that it's a little bit more modernized than it had been in the past. But there'll be some interesting things that we'll point out while you're filling out the FAFSA that could have impacts to your SAI or be different to how it has been in the years past. One thing you'll notice with your Student Aid Index, especially if you're someone who does have more financial need, is this number can be negative. It can go down to negative 1,500. This is not a mistake, the number can be negative, and that just will identify that you have more financial need than other students. If your SAI, your Student Aid Index, is of concern, say you're filing the 2024-2025 FAFSA based on your taxes from 2022 or based on your parents' taxes in 2022. If there has been a significant change to the financial situation at home or in your household, it's best to talk to your financial aid office to see if you qualify for a financial aid appeal.